This free tutorial will guide you through on how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have a video clip on the video timeline or you would like to add text, go down, make sure it's selected and highlighted, and go right here under the program window. If you don't have this, go to window on the top left hand screen, scroll down until you see source monitor or program monitor. Now under the program window or tab or icon right here, click T on your keyboard. As you can see, you can now click, hold, and drag on your screen, and this will enable the text option in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. A quick bonus tip is if you can click Ctrl+A on your keyboard, go to the top left hand screen and click Effect Controls, and you can click the drop down arrow underneath your text, and you can change your text according to your own will and desire completely for free.